Sets. Redis data type set is key-based, and set provides distinct values, undefined order. Redis sets contains unique items. Redis sets are an unordered collection of strings. Set11 commands starts with s. For example, sadd, srem, scan, smove, spop, sdiff, etc. Redis sets can store nearly 4 billion of elements per set. Here, sadd added a key name value John, another again sadd name another value Milan, and key name another value Katie, and removed a value John. Then if you run as members query, then it will return the Katie Milan. John is absent here.